Automations are a really powerful way to truly program your community using triggers. So let's go ahead and create one. Let's click on the admin area in the sidebar. We're going to go to automations. And there's some templates you can use, but we're going to go ahead and click this plus up here and create our own custom automation. And what I'm really interested in is what the words people use when they join the community. What words do they use in their bio? And so I'm going to select a trigger, and trigger is really the thing that kicks off the automation. And so, for example, when somebody joins an event, when somebody completes a module, in this case, I'm going to select when member joins a community, and I'm going to add an action. Now, actions can be things like I'm going to send everybody an email, but we're going to do a powerful thing called a conditional branch. It's kind of like an if-then statement. And so I'm going to add a filter here on their profile fields, and I'm going to specifically look at their bio, and I'm going to see if it contains, so I'm going to say, does it contain the phrase startup? And if it does, then I'm going to have an action. I'm going to put them in a specific group. So I'm going to go down here and say add to group. And I had previously created a group called startups. And now, let's just give this a name. We're going to call this startups. So now anybody who, when they join the community and has a bio that contains the word startup, I'm going to add them to a startup group. And I can go ahead and publish that automation, and away we go. So you can use automations to do a number of things, setting up emails, doing direct messages, really explore and play with it.